Hey everyone, today I want to talk about finding your niche. I think it's important to know your own niche because that way people know what they can learn from you and what values you can provide for them. That is why many how to start YouTube or how to start a blog guides tell you to find your niche first. But the problem is that's not easy. Most people, including myself, have no idea what their niche is at the beginning. Of course, if you have a strong passion for something, you should make content about it, but that's not the case for most people. So a lot of people spend days and weeks trying to figure out their niche or theme for their blog or YouTube. I did the same thing as well before starting my YouTube channel. I spent a month trying to decide a theme for my channel, but I couldn't. Even after a month, I still had no idea what my niche was. So I decided to not to care about niche. I just started posting videos about completely random things. My first video was about iPad Pro, and the next one was about me making matcha green tea, and the next one was about journaling. I was just making content about things I liked, things I found interesting, and things I learned. There was no consistent theme whatsoever in my content. So I had almost 0 views in the first few months, but I kept posting random videos. But when I posted a video about note-taking and Rome, I got more comments, shares, and messages from people, and that's when I thought, maybe note-taking could be my niche. The point is that you don't have to know your niche when you start your blog, YouTube, or newsletter. What you need to do is just start making content about anything you like. If you do this consistently for 6 months, some of your videos or articles will get more engagement, and that is a signal for your potential niche. People engage with your content because they found it valuable. It means that is the area you can provide the most value for them. So I decided to make note-taking as my niche and created more videos about it. Since then, my channel grew much faster. Finally, I want to share this quote from Mark Zuckerberg. Ideas don't come out fully formed, they only become clear as you work on them. What it means is that no one knows anything when they begin. He had no idea what Facebook would become when he started the company. It was just a small idea to connect people at Harvard. I think this applies to starting YouTube, blog, newsletter, or podcast too. No one really knows how their blog or YouTube channel will turn out at the beginning, but ideas become clear as you work on them. So what you need is a start. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question for me or just want to say hi, feel free to send me a message on Twitter or Instagram.